Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom bite off more than you can chew, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The simple meaning of this idiom is to take on way too much work, like agreeing to do more than you're capable of. Imagine that an employee was delighted to be chosen by his manager to assist him with some managerial duties, until he realized how tough it was. I think I've bitten off more than I can chew. If I keep focused, I should be able to keep up. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The man told his wife that he would have the entire outside of the house painted before she came home. I shouldn't have told her I'd be finished. I've bitten off way more than I can chew. When they started up the YouTube channel together, they agreed they would split tasks between them. We agreed at the beginning that everything would be split, but I've bitten off more than I can chew. Can you help with this? During the pandemic, the woman agreed to homeschool her children while the schools were closed. This has been more difficult than I expected, when I have to work and clean the house and cook dinner too. I think I've bitten off more than I can chew. Now here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. The manager agreed his branch would spearhead this year's company project. At first, I thought it would put us in the spotlight and show how efficient we are, but I think I've bitten off more than I can chew. The woman needed some extra cash for her holiday later in the year, but the long working hours are taking their toll on her. I've bitten off a lot more than I can chew. I'm so exhausted. The man is presenting the new product to the company on Friday, and he also agreed to deliver a step-by-step guide to everyone on the same day. I might have bitten off more than I can chew. I don't know how I'll prepare for everything. Where did you hear the expression, bite off more than you can chew? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.